You won the USDV visa lottery. Congratulations. When is your interview? What? You don't know? Okay. What about your documents? Are they ready? Still no? Do you even know what you should do after you get selected? Hi, this is Max from the Visa Library. Today, I want to tell you what to do to complete your USDV lottery process.
Like the video, subscribe, and let's do it.
Step 1. Download or print the lottery results to show you have actually been selected for the DV lottery. Step 2. Look at the case number. The case number is a determining factor. It shows when you are likely to be selected for the visa interview on the visa bulletin. Step 3. Because you have won the lottery, it doesn't mean that you will give you a visa. You must complete the online DS-260 form. Fill it out accurately and submit it online through the Consular Electronic Application Center or CEAC. Step 4. Check your passport to see if it's valid. Why? Because the visa has to be stamped on your passport, so it must be valid. If you have dependents, a spouse or children, you must also make sure their passports are valid too. Moving on, step 5, prepare your documents. Gather your passport valid for 6 months beyond your intended date of entry into the US, your birth certificate, police certificates from all countries you have lived in since the age 16, medical examination and vaccination certificates, court and criminal records, if applicable, marriage or divorce certificates, if applicable, military records, again, if applicable, photographs in the US specified format, confirmation page of the DS-260 application, visa fee receipts, your educational degrees like bachelor's, and work experience documents or contracts. Make sure they include your name and job title and responsibilities. If you don't have any work experience or degrees, you're good to go. You don't need to worry yourself about that. Wait, let me tell you a bit about medical exams. The examination must be performed by a physician approved by the US government, known as panel physicians. You can't just use your regular doctor. But don't worry, when you are scheduled for your visa interview, you will also receive instructions on how to contact panel physicians. Generally, you have to have a physical examination, chest x-ray, blood tests, and evidence reviewing your vaccination history and administration of required vaccines if needed. It is important to schedule your medical examination as close as possible to the date of your visa interview, but well enough in advance to allow for results to be processed. Typically, the results are valid for 6 months. Here's a tip. Take your passport, vaccination records, and any prior medical records that may be relevant to the examination. Alright, step 6. Wait for your interview appointment notification. The Kentucky Consular Center, or KCC, will process your application, and if everything is okay, schedule a visa interview at a US embassy or consulate in your home country. You will usually get it between 4 to 6 weeks, but it may take longer, so you never know. Step 7. Attend the visa interview. During the interview, a consular officer will determine if you're eligible for the visa. You must prove that you will not become a liability to the US government. After the interview, they will tell you if your visa is approved. Depending on your country, either they will stamp the passport right away or send your passport to you, or you will have to go to a consular office in person and get your passport with a visa stamp on it. Step 8. Pay the USCIS immigration fee. You have to do it online before you go to America. To pay the USCIS immigration fee, visit the USCIS Electronic Immigration System website, set up or log into your account, input your alien registration number and DOS case ID, and use a credit card, debit card, or US bank account to pay the $220 fee. Really important. Pay this fee after receiving your immigrant visa and before traveling to the US. And keep the payment receipt for your records. Okay, what's next? Step 9. You must enter the United States within the validity period of your visa to achieve your permanent resident status. And finally, step 10. Get your green card, which will be mailed to you at the US address you've provided. This card serves as proof of your legal permanent resident status in the United States. And that is how you get your green card and move to US for good. If you found this video helpful, like the video, subscribe to our channel, and be sure to follow our social media accounts and use our free consultation service. The links for them are in the description. Hope you get selected, and thank you all for watching.